So this is an example of a level 2 applied class where I had learned how to do interactive notebooks in one of the teacher-to-teacher groups. And so my first opportunity to put it into action was making these little chemistry books. And the idea behind the chemistry books is they organize things and then they are able to bring those back to biology the next year to do a refresher. So this one is by Zeta. And let's see. So what would we include in here? Well, first we'd include some notes and some facts about atoms, let's say, and chemistry. And then kids use one of these graphics to organize their data. And you can see she did a good job. So they have my notes and then how they represent their notes. Students were working to label the families of the periodic table. So she put that in there. And then she has information about where the protons are, what they mean, what's the atomic numbers, symbol, etc. And then she had to do a diagram at the bottom to depict those. All right, also in here there is they have to memorize the common elements in their symbols, and they cannot get lower than a 100. So they have to keep studying and passing. And so they have to put that in their notebook as an artifact that they passed it. And so you can see she got a 100, and I'm not sure if this is her first time, second time, third time, but there is her 100. Atomic Meltdown was homework they had to do in terms of picking. They have, I believe, 4 different elements they have to pick and fill out one of these forms. You can see there are 12 questions about the element, and she put that in here. And then we have some more notes on chemical reactions. We have some diagrams of shells, Bohr models, and chemical properties of matter. More information on types of compounds, dot diagrams, continuing notes. She diagrams how polar covalent molecules work, which is awesome because many students don't understand that. And on her last page, she has more diagrams of physical and chemical reactions. So this is an example of an interactive notebook. After learning about this from Andrea, I was able to use it in the classroom. And every student did one. Here's another example. They're all pretty much the same in terms of what they included. And this one you'll note needed more diagrams, but they're all very similar. And so this is an example of utilizing different resources to help our students learn from different backgrounds.